What's up, music trivia people? I'm Kristin Mallette, and if you're anything like me, which why wouldn't you be? I'm awesome. You love all those female British singers that keep crashing soulful singles upon our shores. Which singer had Joe Strummer from The Clash for a mentor? Was it Amy Winehouse, Adele, Lily Allen, or Duffy? This singer also wrote a song about her brother Alfie. No, try again. Yep, I'm talking about Lily Allen, the girl who writes songs about her stoner little brother and her ex's small member. Alfie now co-stars on the awesome Game of Thrones. I guess he exchanged his pipe for a broadsword. Put down the battle axe and subscribe to my channel, and then click here if you want another music trivia challenge.